Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log in to Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a powerful collaboration and workflow platform that can help you manage your projects and tasks more efficiently. I'm going to assume that you already have a Smartsheet account. If you don't, you can sign up for a free trial at invalid URL removed. Steps: go to the Smartsheet website. Enter your email address and password in the login form. Click the Login button. You will be redirected to your Smartsheet dashboard. Additional tips: if you forget your password, you can click the Forgot Your Password link on the login page. You can also log in to Smartsheet using your Google or Microsoft account. If you are having trouble logging in, you can contact Smartsheet support. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to log in to Smartsheet. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to use Smartsheet. Thanks for watching. Here are some additional things you can include in your video. A brief overview of Smartsheet's features and benefits. A demonstration of how to use some of Smartsheet's features. A discussion of some of the best practices for using Smartsheet. A call to action to sign up for a free trial of Smartsheet. Here is an example of how you can use a question to hook your viewers. Have you ever been frustrated trying to manage your projects and tasks? If so, you're not alone. Many people find it difficult to keep track of everything that's going on, and this can lead to missed deadlines, wasted time, and frustration. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Smartsheet to make your project management easier. Smartsheet is a powerful collaboration and workflow platform that can help you keep track of everything that's going on, so you can focus on what's important. Here is an example of how you can use a story to build out context before jumping into the main content. Imagine you're the project manager for a new product launch. You have a team of engineers, designers, and marketers working on the project, and you need to make sure that everyone is on the same page and that the project is on track. In this scenario, Smartsheet can be a valuable tool. You can use Smartsheet to create a project plan, track the progress of the project, and communicate with your team members. Here is an example of how you can end your script sharply. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.